I feel like I'm in the episode of The Office.
Hi, my name's Greg. You guys probably know me. I'm the MD at Big Country. We're busy doing a fitment today for Byron's car from Wild Journeys. But while he's here, we're taking the opportunity to introduce you to some of our staff. I'm going to take you through to our office, and just sorry about the mess, but this is how we roll every day. Come through, guys. This is our sales office, and some of you, as I said, you probably have met Devon before. Dev, tell us a little bit about what you do at Big Country.
Hey, I'm in charge of sales and fitments, so I manage the workshop, I manage the sales desk and the admin stuff. I invoice, I buy, I sell, basically whatever needs to be done gets done.
And you get on the boss's nerves every now and again.
Yeah.
Oh, we know about that.
Someone has to do it.
Not a very good job.
Could have had it, what?
Well, you can. Let's go and see who we can find. Look who we found. We found Brogan. Brogan, come on, tell us a little bit about what you do here at Big Country.
So I'm in charge of the marketing. I basically run all the social media. I do the fitting instructions. I'm also in charge of keeping the humor up in the business. I mean, someone's got to do it.
And she generally asks lots of silly questions and makes my day pretty tough. If we go back into this office, we'll find someone else interesting. Yes, look who else we found. This is Bianca. Bianca's been with us for about 4 months now.
I generally just answer the phones, do quotes, invoice,
So irritating, ask lots of questions.
Bianca's actual official title is that she handles our front counter sales, so she's frontline sales.
Yeah.
And 4 months with us, and she's been doing really well. Sunny, come and pretend you're helping over here quickly. These two guys are the guys that handle all our fitments. This is Sunny. He's been with us for about 6 months.
Hi.
And that's Sparky. He's been with us 4 years now, nearly 5 years. Sparky's our lead fitter, and he also handles all our electrical installations. All right, let's go and find Frank, because this is going to be an interesting one. Just be careful coming up the stairs. And one of the reasons it's hard to find Frank is because you'll meet Frank, don't worry. That'll explain itself. So you're going to meet Frank now. Frank has been with us for about 3 years. In total, he's done a few jobs with us. Frank, tell us what you do at Big Country.
Hi, my name's Frank. I'm the financial manager of the company. Basically, my job is just to make sure that all the checks and balances are done properly, and I'm just on top of it.
I'm not sure what he does actually with all 3 of these screens. So don't ask Frank for a loan.
Maybe the one screen's for Liverpool highlights.
I would rather throw my screens out the window than watch Liverpool highlights.
Frank, we'll catch you later. Thanks, buddy.
Thanks, guys.
Cheers. And that's everybody. I think you've met the whole crew. Just to give you an idea, this is our distribution center. We've had a very busy year this year, and hopefully we can have a very good 2025. And thanks for visiting us at Big Country. You guys have a good one. Cheers.